Here we've got Huawei GX8, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So you have two possibilities. Let's start with the first, quicker one. Just tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, and then select airplane mode. Just click here, and that's it. Now it's active. You can see notification right here, and now all the networks are disconnected, and whenever you would like to switch off this mode, smoothly tap on power key, click on its icon, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer active. Then the second option is to activate airplane mode through the settings. So all you have to do is to open the settings, go to the more under wireless and networks, and then just click here on this switcher right next to the airplane mode. And that's it. As you can see, you've got the notification here as well, and also the plane icon right next to the battery, and then switch it off by tapping on the same switcher. That's it. As you can see, the sign is no longer here, so now all the networks are active. And that's basically all. So you can activate and deactivate airplane mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.